So what I'm going to demonstrate how to do today is how to cut, thread, and ream a pipe. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut it, and this is the cutter right here. So every time that the machine goes around, every 4 times, we tighten it down a quarter turn, and it's going to cut this pipe. This is the thread dies, which is going to cause the threads so you can thread them into fittings or pumps or whatever thing you're kind of do. And then this is the reamer, so it's going to get out all the metal shavings and stuff so it doesn't mess up your pipe or your fitting and everything that's going into it. Some safety equipment that you're going to need is some safety glasses, some leather work gloves right here, and then you want to be wearing short sleeves because you don't want to get that wrapped up in there. And then you need some sort of oil to cool down the pipe so it doesn't overheat and mess that up. So it's going to get kind of loud, so we're going to cut this pipe first. So this right here is the cutter, and for every 4 turns, like I said, for every 4 turns we're gonna tighten it down a quarter of a turn so we can cut it. So we're going to go ahead and do that real fast. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start this cutting. So now the cutting's done. So what we're going to do now is ream it so we don't mess up the inside of the pipe when we go to put it in the fitting. So this is the reamer. It's just like a triangle blade. We're going to bring the pipe to it. It's going to clean out that inside to get all the sharp edges out. So now that that's done, we can actually start threading. So when you go to thread it, this is a 1-inch pipe. So what we're going to do is set this for 1 inch right here. Set this on 1 inch. Tighten it back down. And then we're going to start, we're going to bring this to the pipe. So it's going to go into it, and it's going to cut little ridges so that this can thread right into it. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the finished product when we're done. And then clean this up with a wire brush. Then here's your finished product. See those ridges that are cut out into it? Then we can screw it on right here. And there you go. So like then you can, like I said, you can plug it in right into this T. You can put it straight into a pump. You can put it into, you can go into an elbow, so you can go along the walls. You can do whatever you want with it, but that's how you cut, thread, and then you always want to ream the pipe also. And that's it. That's the end of this lesson. See you next time.